everybody out there in the YouTube world. You're probably looking at this picture like, what is this guy showing us? Well, today in the mail, I got my. It's a little late. Father's Day. Sorry, I can't even talk. Father's Day was back in June, but um, I received my late Father's Day present from my wife. And of course, my son got a hold of the box and started drawing a, I don't know what the heck that is, some kind of squid or something. But I'm going to reveal what it is. Ooh. Let's take it out of the box. Wow. Gotta get the box out of here. Look at that, guys. Holy moly. Wow. I got my Fiend figure. Look at that. Wow, guys, this guy is awesome. Some of y'all probably have him, some of y'all probably don't. But, man, he looks awesome. And my wife, she has her own, she likes, collecting Barbies and stuff, certain types of Barbies, so she understands that I like this stuff. And of course, y'all see my figures. She praises me all the time that it's very detailed and everything. This is one I could not create. I could have possibly done the mask, but oh man, that's gonna take a lot of work. And I give a lot of other people props for creating this guy. But I'm gonna take this guy out of the box here in a second. I showed my son, my little 4-year-old son, and yeah, he got scared. He saw the mask, and yeah, he got all freaked out. But it comes with the Bray Wyatt head, or his old persona. Man, that's awesome, dude. Look at this figure. It's so detailed. Well, guys, it took me a bit, but I got him out of the box. I changed his hands, and wow, I'm just really amazed. Like I said, the head is so, detailed. Look at his head. It's just amazing, man. Really, truly amazing. Look at that face. Wow. The detail and everything is just, it's amazing. Like, these figures that the WWE has produced, yes, some of them kind of suck, but then some of them are kind of just like, man, the detailed. But this one, they really knocked it out of the park. And I remember when this guy debuted, I was just kind of like, what? That is super cool. And honestly, the first thing I said is, I gotta get that figure whenever they make it. What my wife had told me when she had got me this is that she ordered it before June, but then it was on back order because of so many people just wanting this guy, and a lot of fans, actually wrestling fans. And I told my wife, well, I mean, look, and I kind of gave her the rundown, like, Funko Pops, T-shirts, anything that had to do with the Fiend. Fans were just going crazy over this guy, especially this mask. Like, what kind of like wrestling or wrestler has a crazy mask like this? Yes, there's the Great Muda and stuff like that, and the Park Ultimo Dragon, but to have this much detail, I mean, come on, dude, you can't beat that. Especially his old persona right here, just like dead. Whenever he came out with that at SummerSlam when he was fighting Finn Balor, that was just like, what? Creepy, weird, but it worked, It worked. The tattoos, his eyes. I do not like. I want to scare my son, but then I don't. But when you have kids and they put you through hell, you want to kind of scare them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? If you're a dad, if you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about. But look at the tattoos in the back. His dreadlocks. I kind of want to paint the dreadlocks because the Fiend's dreadlocks are a little bit more blonder than what is you know what he has in real life instead of the figure. But you know what? I might just leave him alone. Jeez, look at that face. But yeah, I have a lot of cool figures, a lot of custom figures, and there's a lot of other guys out there that have some cooler ones more than me. But this is probably by far one of the most detailed. Besides the body, his torso, his chest. I mean, that's a given. The body, I could have used the guys from the Ascension body figure. That would have been perfect. But the tattoos, that would have been really really tough to do the tattoos. But I mean, the face, it would have been a big project. It would have taken me a while, but this is just like amazing. I'm just like kind of like in awe right now. Like any figures I get, I'm just excited to get. But this is like I'm pumped. I'm stoked right now to get this guy. Um, Man, but yeah, this is my yes. How I said it's a little bit late in the game, uh, but my wife, so awesome. She's gonna be watching this video too because she's excited to see it. Love you. Thank you so much for getting me one of the coolest figures I've ever gotten ever. Um, so detailed. But thank you, babe. And this is to all of my subscribers and new ones coming. Um, yeah. Um, this is my Fiend, guys. Bray Wyatt Fiend. But man, this such a cool figure. So super cool. But y'all stay tuned for some more figures, guys. I got some more coming your way. And yeah, y'all like, share it, subscribe, turn on that notification, and stay tuned for some more videos, guys. Thanks.